Welcome to AI Mind, the channel where we explore the world of AI. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to make stunning AI photos music with kaiber.ai. With our easy-to-follow tutorial, so join us and let's dive into the fascinating world of AI-powered photo editing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest content.
Keep exploring and expanding your mind with AI Mind.
First of all, open kaiber.ai. And click Sign Up or Login. So, I click on Sign Up and continue with Google. Click on Create your first video. Click on Upload your image and select your image as you want. Click on Continue as prompt. And type your own prompt. Select your design art. Click on Continue to Setting and set the video duration and video quality. Click on Generate. Processing take 2 or 3 minute time. As you can see, image video is ready for download. Click here to download, and the result is
I'm the one that you run to first. Every time, yeah, why do you try to deny?
Thank you for tuning in to AI Mind. We hope you found our video informative and engaging. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting AI content. And if your tea has gone cold while you were watching, we apologize, but we promise our next video will be just as compelling.